exploring Dabble's in-app tutorials and resources, accessing educational materials within the application. Now, if you want to find some of the educational resources that Dabble themselves offer within the app, it is very simple to look for them. First of all, launch the Dabble app. From the top, you'll find the gear icon, which is the settings icon, so make sure to tap on it. Then when you tap on it, over here you'll find many options. So you want to simply go to the one that says Health Center. Now when you come to Health Center, you can find a tutorial for literally every type of issue you're having. So if you want any issues related to your account, you can go to My Account. There you can see how you can close the account, how you can do your account verification, how you can download the statements, how you can reset forgotten password, how you can withdraw, how to deposit, and so on. So if you want for account verification, you can select that. It will show you some of the steps on how you can verify your account and what are the things that you will need. Similarly, for how to withdraw also, there is a whole guide on that, and this is just how you can access the in-app tutorials and resources and accessing educational materials within the application. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.